Welcome to our review of the We Are Memory Keepers Retro Typewriter. If you're a fan of vintage aesthetics and the tactile experience of traditional typing, this typewriter might just be your new favorite addition to your crafting room or office space. Let's dive into what makes this typewriter stand out. First off, let's talk about the design. The We Are Memory Keepers Retro Typewriter embraces the nostalgia of yesteryears with its timeless design reminiscent of vintage models. From the sleek black finish to the classic typewriter font, it's sure to add a touch of retro charm to any environment. But it's not just about looks. This typewriter delivers on functionality too. The mechanical keys provide that satisfying click-clack sound as you type, bringing back the tactile experience of traditional typewriters. It's a delight for anyone who appreciates the art of typing. Durability is another key feature of this typewriter. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance and nostalgic enjoyment. Whether you're typing letters, cards, or crafting projects, this typewriter is up to the task. And let's not forget its decorative appeal. Beyond being a functional tool, the We Are Memory Keepers Retro Typewriter doubles as a stylish decor piece. It's the perfect way to add a vintage touch to your home or office space. Whether it's displayed on a desk or shelf. To top it off, this typewriter is designed to pair seamlessly with other amazing We Are Memory Keepers products, allowing you to perfect your craft room in no time. Overall, if you're looking for a typewriter that combines vintage charm with modern functionality, look no further than the We Are Memory Keepers Retro Typewriter. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.